enable the victory. This is what is. Thank you so much, ma'am. And now it is the time for announcing the name of winners. It is none other than Innovators. एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय बालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि गानचतुराय गानप्राणाय गानान्तरात्मनि गानोत्सुकाय गानमत्ताय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने गुरुविक्रमाय गुह्यप्रवराय गुरवे गुणगुरवे गुरुदैत्यकलाक्षेत्रे गुरुधर्मसराराध्याय गुरुपुत्र परित्रात्रे गुरुपाखण्डखण्डकाय गीतसाराय गीततत्त्वाय गीतगोत्राय धीमहि गूढगुल्फाय गन्धमत्ताय गोजयप्रदाय धीमहि गुणाधीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि. I want absolute silence now. Please sit down. Is everyone quiet? Why have we gathered here? What is the special occasion today?
Diwali.
We are celebrating pre-Diwali. Okay? But is Diwali a one-day festival? How many of you think that Diwali is a one-day festival? Raise your hands. Diwali is actually a 5-day festival. How many days?
5 days.
And it starts today. Today is Dhanteras. What is today? And tomorrow is Narak Chaturdashi. What is tomorrow? Day after tomorrow is Diwali. What is day after tomorrow?
Diwali.
And the next day is Govardhan Puja. What is it? And the 5th day is Bhai Dooj. What is the 5th day of Diwali? So Diwali is a combination of 5-day festival. Okay. And today is Dhanteras. And you have have to know the original meaning of Dhanteras because it is being commercialized. Dhanteras, it is advertised that this day you have to buy some gold, buy something, it is good for you. So everyone will rush to buy some ornaments or some costly things on Dhanteras. But actually, do you know what is meant by Dhanteras? Dhanteras is birthday of Lord Dhanvantri. Whose birthday? Dhanvantri. Do you know who is Dhanvantri? He is doctor of gods. Even gods need healing, right? So he is known as doctor of gods. Okay. So Dhanvantri's birthday should be celebrated how? If it is about health, how should that be celebrated? By making attempts to be healthy. Understanding? So if your parents are misled that Dhanteras is buying something gold or anything, it is not about that. Yearly once, if they want to invest in some luxury, it is good. But today is meant for health. What is Dhanteras? Because it is birthday of who?
Dhanvantri.
Dhanvantri. Who is Dhanvantri?
The doctor of gods.
Right? Got the point? Now coming to Dasara, we all know that. Why is Dasara celebrated, Pita? Win of good over evil. Right? And why is Diwali celebrated? As a festivity. Right? When Lord Rama returned Ayodhya after his long exile, people lit lamps and they welcomed Rama's re-entry into the kingdom. Okay, that is how it started. And what is the other story? And Jabiullah explained this significance very nicely. What is the other story?
That he defeated Narakasura on this day.
Naraka Vada means there was a demon called Narakasura and Lord Krishna killed him to save the world. Okay. So when you are celebrating something, you should understand the meaning of it also. Means after winning, we celebrate. Now, after winning, how to control yourself? With understanding how to handle the victory. This is what is taught by Diwali. So enjoy your rest of the celebration and competitions also. And here I would like to announce one more thing. We already sent messages to your parents. Tomorrow, along with PTM, we are conducting a charity camp also. What are we conducting?
Charity camp.
There will be boxes kept here and your used toys or your clothes which you outgrew. Okay, small size. So those things if you want to donate, your parents can bring them and they can donate your old shoe, old clothes, toys. Okay? Your parents.
Shirodini Bhagini
भगवती देशिति कण्ठकुटुम्बिनि भूरि कुटुम्बिनि भूरि कृते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकवर्दिनि शैलसुते दुर्वरवर्षिणि दुर्धरवर्षिणि दुर्मुखवर्षिणि कर्षरते भुवनमोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्कषमोषिणि घोषरते तनुजनिमोषिणि दिविसुधरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि बिन्दुसुते
That was super, isn't it?
Thank you.
Thank you. Welcome. Science. Happy Diwali. Happy Diwali. వాళ్ళ వైపు చూడండి పట్టుకోండి రిత్విక నీవేమి
And guess who winners?
ఎవరు ఎత్తింది ఇది అంత ఫోటోనే హీరో ఫోటో
They have represented their great sportsmanship spirit